Hello, and welcome to the Anchor Motel and Suites. I'm Murray, and together with my wife Nadia, we've owned and operated our quiet little island getaway for over 10 years. Recently, we've all had to do a little more to keep safe, and we want to let you know exactly what we're doing to ensure that our guests' safety and enjoyment are our top priority. We've installed plexiglass dividers in our reception area, offering both guests and staff an extra layer of protection above and beyond the standard masks and hand sanitizers that we're all accustomed to. All common areas, tables, and chairs are disinfected regularly with extra care paid to high-touch surfaces. Our lobby bathroom is sanitized regularly and restocked daily. Our ice machine is cleaned on a regular schedule, and we offer sanitary liners to put inside your ice bucket to ensure additional cleanliness. When it comes to our guest rooms, we make sure the utmost care is taken, starting by stripping down the bedding and washing with high-quality antimicrobial laundry detergents. We then disinfect it from bow to stern, getting all high-touch surfaces and ensuring the phone, the clicker, and all handles and knobs in the kitchenette and room have been decontaminated. Porcelain areas are cleansed with extra care, and we perform a follow-up inspection, making sure that we've taken every precaution possible to make sure your stay with us is as safe as it can be. We even go the extra step to disinfect the room keys between guest use. If you're looking for a quiet place to stay where your safety is as important as your comfort, contact us today. We'd be happy to take your name and reserve a room especially for you.